How to APM Monopoly Go. So all you have to do is just to turn on your VPN. So as you can see, I have turned my VPN. As you can see, even it has ads. This is how you use APM on Monopoly Go. So I usually have a tendency. So you can use any kind of VPN and it usually works, but not in 100%. So usually it will encrypt some data in your Monopoly Go because of the VPN, and it has less players because it depends on what server you have picked in the VPN. So usually I've picked Singapore, and there are fewer who played this game, and I have to compete a fewer people in this game. So yeah, that is how you use APM in Monopoly Go.